In this video, we want to compute the 7th root of 0.999 correct to 3 decimal places. So let's represent the 7th root of 0.999 as x, and we can write that as having the 1/7 power. If we take the natural log of both sides, the 1/7 is going to come out in front, and we have the natural log of 0.999. And now we can use the approximation that the natural log of 1 minus u is approximately negative u for small values of u. And we'll represent 0.999 as 1 minus 0.001. So now u is going to be 0.001. So we plug in the formula and we get that the natural log of 0.999 is equal to the natural log of 1 minus 0.001, which is approximately negative 0.001. And so that's on the right side basically. Actually, this is the natural log of 0.999. We'll multiply it by 1/7. In other words, we're going to divide by 7, and that's going to equal natural log of x, approximately. And when you divide this, you can think of this as 1/7. It's 1/7, which is 0.142857. But then we have to divide by 1,000. So, in other words, this is what we're looking for. And we're just going to move the decimal over 3 times. Like that. Of course, there's going to be a negative. Okay. And then the 142,857 is going to be repeating. Okay, so that's natural log of x, but we want x. Because remember, x was the 7th root. So we have to undo the natural log by taking e to both sides. So e to the natural log of x is just x. And then we'll get e to the negative, whatever we just calculated, negative 0.000142857. Which for that, we're going to use the fact that e to the t is approximately 1 plus t for small t's. So that's going to be approximately 1 minus 0.00014287, which is approximately 0.999857143. And because we want to round it to 3 decimal places, this technically should be 1. Okay. So that's going to be the final answer.